Right, this is an 86 BMW K75 cast iron discs. It's been out in the rain this morning and they've gone like that. It's been sat in the garage for months and they haven't gone like that. A bit of rain. Anyway, recently resprayed. Excuse me. I just need to put the leather tops back on here. So many problems with this tank on this bike. The paint kept bubbling up along here because they'd painted inside, all the way inside, and fumes was getting underneath. Not a lot of room in this garage to do this video, but it's a 1986 model. I've had the top box colour match. I've got the matching panniers as well, which are actually in the boot of the car. It's showing 58,000 miles, but I think it's done probably near enough double that. Anyway, it was running like a dream this morning, so we'll start it up again. Just get that camera steady. See if it should still be a bit warm actually. Oops. So put it on a half a choke. That's on half a choke. Always does that. The back wheel always spins when it's a bit cold. You can just hear the fuel pump hissing inside there. Do it from the front with the light on. See the other one behind it. Needs a bit of tidying on the crash bars down there, still need doing. I think there's a slight leak of something there. It's going to stop in a minute. That's just it stopped. Anyway, that was it running. We'll start it up again. Lights are flickering there a little bit. There we are, we'll give it full show. Try and get far back enough so you can see it. I'm quite pleased with the paint job finally. Managed to get these grills back in, one on that side, one on the other side, which is there, nice and fitted, and they're painted up as well. But it's running nice and sweet now. Just want to get the black leather put back on here. I'll just do this side. I won't bother with the top. There you go. I'll probably do a video of it running on the road as well when I get a chance.